I would get my $prompt back. Now if I want to view the contents of the file that I've just created using the terminal, then I'll have to type in cat space test, but this time I'll have to use the less than symbol or the redirection operator that tells the shell to take the input from the file this time and display it on the screen. If I press and enter, I see my statement, which is this is a test file. Well, please ignore the barking dog. It's not mine, it's the neighbor's dog. So there you go. Those are the two things that I wanted to show you guys. The other thing is that you can use cat to merge two files and create create files. Let me create another file and call this one random, and oops, I forgot to put the greater than symbol in between. If I press and enter, this is a random file. Control D, I can see what I've just created. Now the less than symbol or the redirection operator for seeing the contents on the screen is not mandatory. If you do not use it, then the shell assumes that that is the thing that you want to use, but the greater than symbol is, so don't get confused. I would suggest you guys to make a habit to use the redirection operator every time you use the cat command. If I type in enter, I'll see my statement. Now if I want to create a third file, and if I want to merge the input from the file test and random and create another file called sample, the procedure for that is cat space random space test, and then I'll put the greater than symbol, and then I'll put the name of my file, which in this case can be anything. I'll put in sample. If I press and enter and see the contents of my sample file, then I see that my first statement comes from my random file and the second statement comes from the test file.